Myself, Sandeep Gakkad, your maths mentor. Today, this session, I'm going to discuss about divisibility. This is the second session for the success batch. The last session I took on introduction of numbers. I hope you enjoyed the session, and those who were not there, they watched the recording session as well. So today I will continue with divisibility rules. So everybody must watch the session till end. If you find any difficulty, you can ask through live chat. So good evening, Amit, Gaurav, Rishika, Jasmine, Karishma, Sahu, Manav, Ji. Good evening, everyone. So divisibility rule. There are so many things. First, I will discuss the theoretical part. I will explain the concept first. Once the concept is clear, I will discuss few questions on that. So topic will be 100% clear to all of you. Ishita, Soumya, Manav, Ji. Good evening to everyone. Divisibility rule. Let's start with very basic, very first term, which is divisibility of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if last one digit is divisible by 2. If you have any number, let's suppose 470, 698, 736, these are the examples in which if last one digit is divisible by 2, we can say number is exactly divisible by 2. Either the unit digit should be divisible by 2 or unit digit should be 0 in this case. So you can see, if I will give you 8, 9, 2, 7, is this number divisible by 2? No, this is not divisible by 2. Why not divisible by 2? Because I can see the last digit is odd. This digit, unit digit, is not divisible by 2. So complete number 8927 is not divisible by 2. Now we have a number 698. 698 is a number. Last digit is 8. So number will be divisible by 2 because last digit is exactly divisible by 2. I hope you understand. Okay. Divisibility of 2 is clear to everyone. There is no confusion. Just concentrate upon unit digit. If divisible, number divisible. If unit digit 0, complete number is 0. Any doubt, any confusion, I'm telling you, you're most welcome to ask through live chat. So let's move to the next. Divisibility of 4. So I initiated with divisibility of 2, in which I explained last one digit. It should be divisible by 2. Then in case of 4, in any number, if you find the number is divisible by 4, you can say if number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. In any number, take last two digits. Last two digits are giving you the number 36. Is this number divisible by 4? Yes or no? Tell me fast. A number is divisible by 4 if number formed by taking last two digits is divisible by 4. Or we can say if number is ending with 2 zeros as well. There are two things to remember. In case of 4, last two digits are making a number 36. This 36 exactly divisible by 4 will give you remainder as 0. So this number complete. Now come to, is this number divisible by 4? Yes, because last two digits are 2 zeros. Number ending with 2 zeros. So this number is exactly divisible by 4. Because number ending with 2 zeros. Let's continue with the same. Just take an example. What will be the maximum value of x if this number is exactly divisible by 4? There is a number 83724x6. What do you say? What is the maximum value of x such that this number is exactly divisible by 4? Tell me first. Here it is possible x can be 1, 16 will be there, number is divisible. X can be 3, 36 divisible by 4. X can be 5, 56 divisible by 4. X can be 7, 76 divisible by 4. I think this is clear now. So guys, at the place of x, you can write 7. Okay. You can write 5, you can write 3, you can write 1. But if I will write 9, then also this is divisible. And 9 is the maximum value of x. If you will use at place of x, you will get a value 96, which is exactly divisible by 4. So this is value of x will be 9 in this case. 5 is also possible. Gunja, 56. If I will take at place of x, if I will take 5, so value will be 56. It is divisible by 4. 36 also, 16 also, 76 also, 96 also. But we are looking for the maximum value of x such that the number is divisible by 4. Okay, is the point clear, guys? Okay, let's move to the next divisibility rule. I hope everybody is enjoying the session and able to understand every single concept. I explained about 2, I explained about 4. In case of 2, last one digit. In case of 4, last two digits. In case of 8, in continuation, I'm taking 2, 4, 8. So in case of 8, a number is divisible by 8 if number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits, 848 in this case. It is exactly divisible by 8. In this case, 832 is exactly divisible by 8. Okay. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. In this case, last three digits are three zeros. So it means this number is exactly divisible by 8. Either last three digits are making a number 848, exactly divisible by 8 means giving remainder 0, then also. Or else, if last three digits are three zeros, then also the number is divisible by exactly divisible by 8. Okay. Then come to 16, the last. 2, 4, 8 and 16. Why I am explaining these four together? Because you can understand in a better way. Teacher can explain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, not in continuation, in counting. No, that is not. I am trying to explain such that you will remember that thing in future as well. So guys, 2 last one digit, 4 last two digits, 8 last three digits. In case of 16, last four digits. The number formed by last four digits. The number formed by last four digits. The number is 3264. It is divisible by 16. 3264. It is divisible by 16. 4832. It is divisible by 16. 16 3 0. 16 2 0. Last four digits are either all four are 0 0 0 0 or last four digits making a number exactly divisible by 16. I expect everyone is clear with the same. Any confusion, any doubt, you're most welcome to ask. There is not a problem. So let's move further. Divisibility rule of 5. I've explained about 2, 4, 8, and 16. No problem, no doubt. Everybody is clear. Very good, Rishika. Anybody having doubt? Okay, that's great. Ganesh, good evening. Okay, let's move to next. Divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if number is ending with 0 or 5. If a number is ending with 0 or number is ending with 5, the number is exactly divisible by 5. If I take the number 97555, then 7 is given. Is this number divisible by 5? Tell me fast. No, that is not. This digit divisible. This is not. Unit digit, the very first digit. The number is divisible by 5 if number is ending with either with 0 or with 5. So it should be 0 or 5 at the end. The unit digit should be 0 or 5. So number is exactly divisible by 5. Okay. Is the point clear? Point clear now? Okay. Let's come to next. Divisibility rule of 25. Divisibility rule of 25. Same as of 5. As we were looking at last one digit. In this case, last two digits. Last two digits. Last two digits, either it should be 0 0 or it should be divisible by 25. Last two digits 75 50. It is divisible by 25. It is divisible by 25. So complete number is divisible by 25. As we can see, 97835. Is this number divisible by 25? Tell me yes or no. Tell me fast. Is this number divisible by 25? No, this is not, because last two digits are making a number 35, which is not divisible by 25. What else? 978, if I will take 75. Is this number divisible by 25? Yes, of course, because last two digits are making a value 75. So number is exactly divisible by 25. Okay, beta. Or else, last two digits are two zeros. That is also possible. That is also possible. Okay. Yes, exactly. Okay, everybody is saying yes, 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 that's great. In case of 5, in case of 25, in case of 125, if last three digits are divisible by 125, or last three digits are three zeros. So this is 375, this is 250, this is three zeros. This, every number in this in the given example, it is divisible. Last three digits are three zeros, last three digits are 375, last three digits are 250. So the number is exactly divisible by 125. If a number is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 25 or not? This is the doubt that Rishika is having. Let's take. Rishika, is this number divisible by 5 or not? Yes, because last digit is 5. Is this divisible by 25? Is this divisible by 25? No. So it is divisible by 25, but not divisible by 25. Okay. I think this is clear to you now. If number is divisible by 25, then definitely the number will be divisible by 5. Divisible by the bigger one, bigger 125, then by 25, then by 5 also. If divisible by 25, then divisible by 5 also. If divisible by 5, it's not possible that will be divisible by 25 as well. Okay, beta? Okay. So in case of 125, last 3 digits are making a number 375, 250, 3 zeros. So this is exactly divisible by 125. Okay, beta? So I have given you the rules about 2, divisibility of 2, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 8, divisibility of 16. In case of 2, last 1 digit. In case of 4, last 2 digits. In case of 8, last 3 digits. In case of 16, last 4 digits. In case of 5, last 1 digit. In case of 25, last 2 digits. In case of 125, last 3 digits. I have explained these things in a pattern that you will remember as well. Okay? Yes, of course. Chicha Mao, definitely beta. Andy, definitely. How to multiply speed for larger numbers. If I will talk about competitive exam, calculation is not there. Many students used to ask, sir, I'm bad at calculation, what should I do? So I will suggest you calculation is not in your exam. Out of 25 questions, only 1 to 2 questions are having calculation. So because of 1 to 2 questions, you are not supposed to waste your complete time. Once you are through with 23 questions, then you think about these 2 remaining questions. Calculation, for calculation, you should remember the cube up to 15. 1k cube से 15k cube तक you will have to remember every 1k square से 30k square तक you will have to remember every square. 1 to 15 cube, 1 to 30 square you will have to remember to make your calculation simple. And with practice you will be able to make your question simple. Now come to divisibility of 3. I am telling you guys, whether it is CHSL exam, whether it is CGL exam, examiner is giving you the question on divisibility 100% sure. 100% sure. Examiner is giving you questions on divisibility. Divisibility of 11, divisibility of 8, divisibility of 3, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 9. These divisibilities are very much important. So understand every single divisibility will help you in your exam. For sure in your exam, even a single 1 question, 2 question, that I cannot say 1, 2 or 3, how many questions the examiner will ask, but definitely you will get the question on divisibility for sure. Now come to divisibility rule of 3. If I will talk about divisibility rule of 3, it means sum of all digits must be divisible by 3. Now in this example, 896, 235. 896, 235. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? This digit divisible by 3, this digit divisible by 3, this digit divisible by 3. Either I'm giving you the sum of digits must be divisible by 3. Either you can add all digits, but in fact I'm giving you the better way to do that. In books, this is the only thing they have mentioned. In case of 3, if the number is divisible by 3, sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Okay, beta? But I'm giving you the better way. Instead of adding the digits, first eliminate those, first cancel out those digits which are exactly divisible by 3. This, exactly divisible by 3. Now you are left with 8, 2 and 3. The sum of these 3, 8 plus 2 plus 5. The sum is how much? The sum is 15. Is this divisible by 3? The sum should be divisible. I have taken those things first which were exactly divisible by 3. Those terms, those digits I have taken outside which are exactly divisible by 3. I'm left with those digits which are not, but now I have to add 8 plus 2 plus 5. Sum is 15. Isn't this divisible by 3? Yes. So complete number will be divisible by 3. Now come to 2601. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? 6 is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1, the sum is 3. 2 plus 1, the sum is 3. Divided by 3. Remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Okay. Now come to 696396. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? Yes, of course divisible. This is divisible, this is divisible, 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 divisible. No need to add in fact. I think you understand this one. You don't know these shortcuts? Arkunan? No issues, beta. I think now you understand. Now you understand. This number is divisible by 3. Every digit is multiple of 3. Complete number is divisible by 3. No need to check now. Let's come to this one. How many possible values of x such that this is exactly divisible by 3? Tell me fast. If I go to check, the number is divisible by 3. We already know in this question number is divisible by 3. How many possible values of x are possible? How many values? Tell me. This is divisible by 3. You are left with 2 plus x. Else every digit is divisible. I will repeat this one again. This digit is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Now what is left? 8, 7, 2, 4, 2 and x. Now single digit 3, single digit 6 is divisible. Now come to 8 plus 7. The sum is divisible by 3. If you find that 8 is not divisible, 7 is not divisible, but sum of these two is divisible, then take these two digits together in your mind that 8 plus 7 is 15. The sum is divisible. 2 plus 4, the sum is 6. The sum is divisible. Now you are left with 2 plus x. You are left with 2 plus x. I have to check divisible by 3. How many possible values of x? If I will put x as 1, the sum will be 3. If I will put x as 4, the sum will be 6. X as 5, 6, 7, yes, of course. X as 8, no. 9 is no, obviously not. So how many possible values of x? How many possible? 3 values. X is 1. Now 6 plus 3. The sum of these two digits is 9, divisible by 9. So these two sum will be divisible by 9. Now 6 plus 3. The sum is 9. Complete number divisible by 9. Okay, beta. 2601. The number is not visible to you that it's divisible or not. Last one, last one, last one. Okay, this one. Okay. In this case, the number was 83724x62. I will have to check divisible by 3 or not. So that is clearly visible. I can do it. This digit is multiple of 3. This is multiple of 3. Cancel out, yes or no. So how many possible values were there that you are supposed to find out? They are not asking x. They are asking how many values of x are possible. So 3 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. 8 plus 7. Sum is 15, divisible by 3. 4 plus 2, the sum is divisible by 3. Now you are left with 2 plus x. Now divided by 3. Remainder, no, not remainder. The value of x. How many values of x are possible? If I put x as 1, the sum will be 3, divisible by 3. X as 4, the sum will be 6, divisible by 3. X will be 5, no, 6, no, 8, no, right? 7. 7 plus 2 is 9, divisible by 3. So x is 1, 4, and 7. How many values? 3 possible values of x. That I hope everybody understand. Understood. Now, clear, good. Now come to divisibility of 11. Everybody just look at this. I am just having water, one glass of water. Everybody just look at this and try to read it. I will explain within a minute. Everybody read it fast. Okay, everyone, be ready and let's discuss again about 11. I'm going to explain now. Divisibility rule of 11. Jasmine, you wrote something without eliminating by adding we get 32 plus x. I'm telling you that if I will add 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, why should I do that? First eliminate all these. 2 plus x is left. So if you will put at place of x, now some of these two should be divisible by 3. So at place of x is 1, as 4 and 7. These three values will satisfy this one. So definitely easy to approach. Okay, beta. Now come to divisibility of 11. Why, if a number is divisible by 11, how can we check? If the difference between sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places is equal to 0, or it's a multiple of 11, then number is divisible by 11. The example we have taken 5, 4, 4, 5, 8, 1, 1, 8. I can check 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. Now come to this one, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. So I got sum of digits at even places 18. Sum of digits at odd places is 18. The difference between these two is 0. So it means this number is exactly divisible by 11. Either the difference should be 0 or it should be multiple of 11. Is this example clear to everyone? Leave one digit, come to the next. Alternate digits you will have to take. 5, then 4, then 8, then 1. Okay, I have taken. So add all these. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, plus 1, 18. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Sum of digits at odd place, sum of digits at even place. Take difference between these two, you will get 0. So 0, it means this number is divisible by 11. Now come to 9, 3, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9. Now 9, 9, 9, the sum is 27. 3 plus 2, the sum is 5. The difference is 22. This is multiple of 11. Take alternate digits. 2 plus 3, the sum is 5. 9, 9, 9, sum is 27. The gap is 2. So this gap is exactly divisible by 11. So number is exactly divisible by 11. I expect this is clear now. Okay? Both examples I have given you. Now come to divisibility of 6. Divisibility rule of 6. I have given you almost every most useful, most repeating divisibility rule for 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, 16 is rarely they used to ask, but as we were discussing the things in a rhythm, in a flow, so I explain about 16 as well. 2, 4, 8 is important. Now come to 5, now come to 25. These two are important. 125, exceptionally they used to ask. Divisibility of 3 and divisibility of 9, these two are important. I have given you. Okay, beta. Divisibility of 11, very, very important. Divisibility of 8, divisibility of 11. These two are important, I'm telling you, for the examiner. Okay, beta. Now come to divisibility of 6. Divisibility rule of 6. The number is 6. I can factorize in prime factorized form. I can write 6 as 2 into 3. So it means whatever the number, whatever the example is there, I will have to check for 2. I will have to check for 3. Okay, beta? I will have to check for 2. I will have to check for 3. So number is divisible by 6 if number is divisible by 3 and 2 both. Divisible by 3 and 2 both. We can see 9, 6, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6. I will have to check. The number should be divisible by 3 and 2. It is easy to check for 2 first, as this is divisible by 2. Now I can check for 3 as well. For 2, it is satisfying. For 3, I will have to check now. For 3, this is divisible, this is divisible, 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 divisible. Obviously, this is divisible. Okay, beta. For 6, you will have to check for 3 and 2 both. In this case, 7, 9, 2, 5, 9, 4. As the last digit is 2, divisible by 2. In case of 3, check 9, 9 divisible. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. This is divisible by 3 as well. Divisible by 2 as well. So number is exactly divisible by 6. Quite clear. 3, 6, 0. Is the number divisible? Yes, of course. Why not? Because last digit is 0, so divisible by 2. Divisible by 3, clearly visible. No need to add. No need to add. In case of 3, I have given you amazing way. You must use it. Okay, beta. For in case of 6, you will have to check for 3, you will have to check for 2. Number is divisible, that divisible. In case of 12, as I have given you in case of 6, now factorize this number 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2, same numbers take together. I can write 2 to power 2. This is 3 to power 2. 2 to power 2 is 4. This is 3. So check for 4, check for 3. This number 9, 6, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6. Have to check for 4. Have to check for 3 as well. Okay, Nitika? Nikita? Definitely, beta. Many of you do not give the rating. Rating is must. Everybody must rate the class. Rating is must. Okay? I am giving you 100%. I am not going to skip even a single term, even a single thing which you require and which is important for you. I will not leave even a single thing. Divisibility, remainder, unit digit, HCF, LCM, and a number of factors. Then come to introduction to the numbers. Everything will be given to you. Number of zeros, unit digit concept. So everybody must rate the class. If any difficulty you find, then you must ask through live chat as well. Okay? 50% students has given the rating. Till they have given 50% students have given the rating. 50% still not. Okay? Let's come to this. Number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible by 3, divisible by 4. In case of checking 4, it's simple. Last two digits making a number 36. it's divisible by 4. Number completely divisible by 4. In case of 3, now you can check for 3. This divisible, divisible, divisible. Number is divisible by 3. For in case of 4, last 2 digits obviously divisible. Now come to this number 792 5944. Is this divisible by 4 and 3? Yes. How to check? Last 2 digits divisible by 4. Number is divisible by 4. In case of 9, what will you do? In case of 9, this is 9, this is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 is left behind. If 4 is left behind, so this is not divisible by 3. So complete number, if not divisible by 3, na, so not divisible by 12 as well. Why to check further then? This is more than sufficient to check. Okay, these two are divisible by 12. Last one is not divisible. Okay. Now, if maybe examiner will ask you divisibility of 24, divisibility of 36, है they may ask. So in case of 24, only thing what you are supposed to do, just factorize 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this 24 I can write 2 to power 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 to 3 is simple. 3 to power 1 is also simple. It means you will have to check for 8, have to check for 3. So if I will check through 8 and 3, the number, if divisible by 8 and 3, number will be divisible by 24 as well. Come to next. If I want to check the number is divisible by 36 or not, what will you do? Just factorize 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 to 2, 3 to 2. Number is divisible by 36 if number is divisible by 4 and 9 both. Factors must be co-prime to each other. That is great. Very good, Rishika. This is the one word explanation. Right? In case of 72, what will you do? 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 2. The number is divisible by 8, number is divisible by 9, number will be divisible by 72. Okay? If I will give you an example, let's take 87935488. Is this number divisible by 72 or not? How will you do? How will you do that? I will have to check for 8 and 9 both. In case of 8, last 3 digits, making a number 488. This is exactly divisible by 8. Very first thing. Now come to 9. In case of 9, what will you do? In case of 9, this is divisible. 5 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. 8 plus 8, how much? 16. 16 divided by 9, remainder will be there. So it means if number is divisible by 8, it is good. Now what about 9? If you want to check about 9, you will have to divide, you will have to make pair. Either you can add all digits, divide by 9. Sum of all digits, divide by 9, you could do that. All these, divide by 9. If the sum of all 3 digits, all these digits is divisible by 9, then it is okay. Else I have given you the short trick method. Just make the pair and let them out. 9 is divisible. 5 plus 4 is divisible. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8, 18. Now only thing, 8 plus 8 is left. 16. 16 divided by 9. Yes, this is not divisible. So complete number is not divisible. Yes, it's time taking. Thank you, Jasmine. Cancellation is much better. Yes, Vishika. Good. Now come to divisibility rule of 7. Look, the most important I have given you 2, 4, 8, 16, 3, 9, 5, 25, 11. These are most important, which I have given you. Now it is the least important one. Divisibility rule of 7, because the method is lengthy. Every time the method is lengthy. Okay? The number is divisible by 7 if difference between 3 digits alternate groups, sum of odd places groups minus sum of even places groups is multiple of 7, then number is divisible by 7. I'm telling you, this can be easy for you. Just understand what this sentence is, this statement is given, right? I will explain. Just taking the example, you will understand better, else you will be puzzled. If I'll give you examples, you will understand better. The very first number which is given, read it. This number is given 143, 53, 143, 5392. What you are supposed to do, you will have to make 3 digits group from back side. 3 digits, then again 3 digits. Then whatever it is left, you will have to make 333. In the end, if 3 digits left, 2 digits left, 1 digit left, it depends upon the number. Okay, what you are supposed to do. What I'm telling you, if this is given 7, 9, 2, 5, 4, 3, 8, 9, 3, 2, 5, if this is given, What will you do? You will have to check the number is divisible by 7 or not. Take last 3 digits. This is one group. This is alternate group. This is again alternate group. This is alternate group. What will you do? This is the first group. This is the second group. This is the third group. This is the fourth group. Add alternate one. Add these two. Add these two. 254 plus 325 minus 389 plus 79. Sum of these two, and difference between these two. It should be divisible by 7. It should be multiple of 7. Okay. The number is exactly divisible by 7. Okay, beta. If divisible, if this difference. Yes, this is time consuming, but like if this number is given 143, 53, 92. Take these 3 digits, take these 3 digits and multiply it. Add these two, you will get 393. Already there was 435. The difference between these two, 42 is the gap. If you will divide this gap, the gap you are getting after that now, if it is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Okay, beta? Else it was visible 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. It was also visible to you. But I think you understand the method as well. In case of 7, generally students used to divide it directly. They used to skip the methods. But students may ask, sir, you have not explained for 7. So definitely I should give it to you. Let's come to the last example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7. Okay. If this is the number, take 3 digits, 3 digits. Okay. Last 3 digits, then last 3 digits, and this one. Add these two. 887 plus 234. Okay. 1121. Then come to these two. 567 plus 1, 568. 1121 and 568. These two got subtracted. How much is left? Divide by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 nines are 63. Divisible, obviously divisible. I think this is clear. You will have to make 3 pairs from the end, from the last. You will have to start 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Like this. Add alternate sum of these, sum of odd places, sum of even places. Difference between these two, it should be equal to 0 or multiple of 7. Okay, the difference should be multiple of 7. It means this is divisible. Okay, beta. देखिए, one thing I will tell you, that divisibility of 11 and 13, if you will understand now, I know how to do. I know the approach, but very lengthy approach for 11, very lengthy approach for 13 as well. It was for lengthy for 7 as well, but I have given you an idea. Okay. What? Solve this one, Ganesh. What you're asking? This is a 3-digit number. What do you want? Divide by 7 or something else you're talking about? Ganesh. Yeah, this is a small number. Don't apply on small numbers. In fact, it will work, but I will suggest you don't apply upon small numbers. 4 1 1 7, 4 1 1 1, divide by 7. So, beta, why you are doing by? If I want to go to Delhi, will I go to? If I want to go from Delhi to Amritsar, will I have to go to Calcutta first? No. Just start from Delhi and go to Amritsar. That's it. So do it directly. The question is simple. If I will ask you, 36 is divisible by 3 or not? Hooray, I'll have to add the digits. Why? This is divisible, clearly visible. So don't try to be over intelligent. That will harm you, all of you. So that if question is clearly visible, that if number is 48, is the number divisible by 3? Do I need to think about it? It's divisible. 3 16s are 48. Divisible. Okay, beta. Let's move to next. So 6-digit number is formed by single digit repeating 6 times. Is divisible by which of the following? Tell me. Six-digit number 444444. Divisible by which one? I'm telling you, this is ABC, this is ABC. 3 digits repeating 2 times. So that is clearly visible. The difference between these two is equal to 0, divisible by 7. So ABC, this will work. So this is already, we know that it is divisible by 7, 11, and 13. Okay. Rohan, all of these. Okay, good. This is divisible by 7, 11, 13. Okay. Come to this one now. Come to this example, beta. A number which is formed by a single digit repeating 100 times, such as 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. It is repeating itself. This, if I will divide by 7, which of the following is remainder? 0? No. This is not beta. This is not. This is not 0. This is not. Divide by 7, what will you do? As we know, in case of 7, I told you that you will have to make the groups of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. If I will take 6 time, definitely this is 4, 4, 4, 4. These two difference is equal to 0. This number is exactly divisible by 7. Remainder will be 0. So 3 times, 3 times, 6 times. 6 times if you will take 96 till 96 times, it will be divisible by 7. I mean to say 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 goes up to till 96th digit. This complete is divisible by 7. Remainder will be 0. But total there are 100 digits. So last 4 digits are still left. 4, 4, 4, 4. I will have to check with 7. Okay, beta. Okay, beta. If you will divide, that is, array, beta explanation is there. The answer is given. Remainder is 6. Explanation is given. This is explanation. I'm not asking you. I'm just asking you to understand the same. Don't try to find. Just try to understand. Answer is given. Explanation is given. It is written. We should take last 4 digits. Yes, exactly, Jasmine. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Till 96th digit, that is divisible by 7 for sure. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 3, 3, 3, 6. The pair of 6. 3 and 3, 6. 6 digits. 6 digits will give you 0. Remainder is 0. 6, 6 के कितने pairs बनेंगे? 6 into 16. 96th digit. That will be giving you remainder is 0. How many digits still left? 4 digits. 4, 4, 4, 4. Divide by 7. Remainder will be how much? You can divide. 7, 6 are 42. 7, 3 are 21. 7, 4 are 28. 34 minus 28 will give you remainder is 6. Okay, Krishna don't understand. Krishna, you don't understand. Okay, okay. Krishna, if I will give you this 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 6. If it is coming 8 times, what will you do? What will you do? 8 times. Vidya, Shri, Krishna, these two don't understand. No issues. If I will ask you, okay, only 6 times. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. I told you that divisibility of 7. I explained the divisibility of 7. This number, I told you to make the groups. Do you remember? Do you remember? In case of 7, I told you to make the groups. As in this case, 3 ka, 3 ka, 3 ka. Now finally, whatever it is left. First and third group, second and fourth group, these two added, these two added. Difference between these two, it should be a multiple of 7. In this case also, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So this will make a number, this will make a number. Difference between these two is equal to 0. No. If there are many numbers, we should take last 4 digits. That is not beta. 3 and 3, 6. If 6 digits are there, then this will give you remainder is 0 if divided by 7. I'm telling you, if you will take 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, these 3, the difference is 0. If there are 8 times, this is a complete number. 8 times 4 is coming, right? 8 times if this is coming, so what will you do? The difference of these two is 0. Take only this one, 44. Divide by 7. 7, 6 are 42. Remainder will be 2 in this case. So 6 into 16, 96 digits you can ignore. 96 digits you can ignore. Only last 4 digits left. So that's why I took the same. 6 into 16 is 96. Last 4 digits are left. Last 4 digits are 4, 4, 4, 4. If you will divide with 7, will give you remainder is equal to how much? That is it. Okay, beta? Point clear now? Now come to this one. Total number of 3-digit numbers which are exactly divisible by 6. Total number of 3 digits. Pairing is possible till 96 digits, obviously. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 32 pairs will be there. Till 96 digits, 32 pairs. Remaining are how much? 4 digits are left. Total number of 3 digits which are exactly divisible by 6. 3-digit number which are exactly divisible by 6. The 3-digit number is 100. Is this divisible by 6? No. The very first number which is divisible by 6 is 102, then 108, 114. That is going on. The last number will be how much? 996. Okay. The very first is 102. The very last is 996. How many numbers are there? What can you do? The very first is 102. The last is 996. Difference between these two, how much? 4. And this is 9. This is 194. Okay. 194. Now, if you are getting 194, oh, 894, sorry, 894. Now, if you will divide with 6, then add 1 into that. That will give you the right answer. First of all, you will have to find out the gap. First and last, subtract these two. You are getting 894. Divide by 6. 6 ones are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are. Okay. 6 nines are. You are getting the value. Add 1 into that. That will give you the right answer. You will say, sir, why I'm adding 1 into that? Because first one is divisible, last one is divisible. Else you will have to use AP series. That will take more time. Okay, Krishna is asking why to add 1, sir. Okay, beta. If I will ask you 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. How many numbers are divisible by 3? Tell me. How many? I'll come to the last one as well. Krishna, Soumya, I'll come to the last one as well. So what is the way? This is a small series. What is the other way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, clearly visible. Other way, first and last difference. If the difference is going same, AP series, in that case, what will you do? First and last difference between these two is 12. Divide this 12 by 3, because the gap of 3, 3, 3, 3 is going on. So how many numbers it should be there? 4. No, add 1 into that. That will give you the actual numbers. Any other example? You want to take 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Okay. Now difference between these two, 42. Divide by 7 will give you 6. Add 1 into that will give you 7. Okay, beta. I think now clear, Krishna, Soumya. I think this is clear now. Yes or no? Tell me fast. Formula for AP series. That is something extra you are asking in between. Okay. AP series is what? AP series is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression series. Arithmetic progression series. Let's take 4, 7, 10. That is going on. This is arithmetic series. If you want to find out nth term, what will you do? Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into 10. Where a is first term, n is number of terms, d is common difference. Common difference. D is common difference, n is number of terms, a is first term. Okay. Sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 10. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 10. This is sum. This is n. Okay. Point clear? Point clear now? Now come to this question. Somebody was asking. I was telling you the gap of 6 is going on. So the difference between the first and last, 894 divided by 6 will give you 149. Add 1 into that will give you 150. Okay, beta. Point clear है अभी सभी को अच्छे से. I think this is clear. Okay. Come to this one, 9-digit number. 9-digit number 389 x 63 78y. If I will divisible by 72, find value of root of 6x plus 7y. 6x plus 7y. Find value of this one. Divisible by 72, it means divisible by 8 and 9 both. Divisible by 72 means divisible by 8 and 9 both. If divisible by 8, so that is clearly visible 7, 8y. Divisible by 8. So y will be how much? 8 9s are 72. 6 is left. 8 8s are 64. Okay. So y will be 4 in this case. Yes or no? At place of y, if I will write 4, the number is divisible by 8. Now in case of 9, 3, 8, 9, x 6, 3, 7, 8, 4. in this case, divisible by 9, it should be. So what will you do? I told you, make the pair 9, 6 plus 3, 9, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8, 18, divisible by 9. So how much is left? 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus x. Divide with 9. 9 twos are, so x will be 6 in this case. Is this clear to everyone? X is 6, y is 4. I think this is clear. Now come to 6x plus 7y. 6 into 6 plus 7 into 4. 36 plus 28. How much is there? 64. You will have to take root of this. You are left with 8 in this case. B option is right. That is absolutely right. Everybody. How is y 4? Beta, if you will divide 780 y, if you will divide with 8, 8 9s are 72. This is 6. What do you think? If 4 will be there at place of y, you will take here 8 8s are 64. What do you think? Any other value possible other than 4? Gaurav, tell me beta. Do you think beta any other value is possible in this case? Got it. Jerry, that's great. The value of y will be 4, x will be 6. That is quite simple. Okay, let's come to the next. I do have so many questions. You do have so many questions. You can search in previous year books. You will get quizzes as well. You will get PDF as well. You will get previous year questions online as well. You will get mock test as well. So many things to revise. You just focused. I'm telling you guys, I'm with you. It is just the starting of the batch. After 1, 2, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you will feel, a lot of syllabus has been covered. What will I do? So I'm telling you, this is the right time to start. 146x 48 divisible by 8. In this case, last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Tell me, what will you say? At place of x greatest, they are asking x can be 0, x can be 2, x can be 4, x can be 6, x can be 8. Okay? Okay, as they are asking the maximum, so this is the value. Okay, beta? The value of this will be 8. This is the maximum. How many possible values? 5 possible values. How many possible values? 5 possible values. But the maximum will be 8. Let's go next. Divisible by 11. What will you do? 9, 4, x, 2, 3, 5, 7. What will you do? In case of 11, everybody know alternate digits. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Okay? 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Okay? 9 plus x plus 3 plus 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus x. Difference should be equal to 0 or multiple of 11. The sum of digits at odd place is 19 plus x. Sum of digits at even place is 11. So what you are left with 8 plus x. It should be divided by 11. So what do you say? I have given you the method. Question have become very, very simple now. X will be equal to 3 in this case. And you are clear with the same. Why Akhil? 8, 8. No, Yasmin, Akhil. I think this is clear to you. 8 is not possible, beta. 3 is the right answer. 5 values so quickly. What 5 values? In this case, on the last question. Previous one, okay. Previous one, beta, last 3 digits, x 48. I know. In case of 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. At place of x, if I will keep 0, then this is divisible. 48 is divisible. If I'll keep 2, 248, divisible by 8 or not? 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8. In case of 4, 48, divided by 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, divisible. So quickly it was a trend, 0, 2 satisfying, so 4, 6, 8 will definitely satisfy. It was a trend. So I just checked it in my mind. With practice, you will also come to know. This is a big thing for you right now, but maybe a simple thing. Alright, sir, explain this thing. It was nothing. Before it was a big thing. Now it is not. So I think you're clear now. Okay, beta? So this is from my side in today's session. I have given you questions on divisibility. I have given you the explanation about divisibility rule. I hope you enjoyed the same. I hope you will definitely revise the complete. I'm telling you guys, this is the right time to start. I have started the this batch. So this is the second session only. Now you can just do one thing. Tomorrow there is off. So tomorrow, what can you do? The last session I took in this session, you must revise more. So I'm with you. You will definitely become an officer. And I would like to see all of you as an officer. So what is the way? Practice and regularity. Thank you guys. Bless you all. See you next class. Goodbye.